Warning viewers, this beat is hard, so be prepared. So this is a Ghana Metro Boomin type beat on FL Studio Mobile. So now let's get it. So first I'm gonna add a loop that I got from loopcrate.com, and this is the loop. Now, as always, we make sure the loop is on the right BPM. So I put it on 150. Then I go look for some hi-hats. I bought this hi-hat from hipinstrument.com. No, I'm not sponsored. I'm just helping you out to get some free samples from the right website. I'm not gonna go crazy on this hi-hats. I'm just gonna add a simple hi-hat that you usually hear from other beats. You know, simple hi-hats. And 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and 1 2 3 steps. I'll be adding a lot of different samples. I don't know if I've gone too much or crazy on these hi-hats. If I did too much, comment down below. And to make it a little bit bouncy, I'm gonna decrease and increase some of the levels, you know, and then I'm gonna paste it on the other side. And some of the hi-hats on this other side gotta be a little bit different. They can't sound the same, you gotta make them different. And I decrease this one too. Now let's duplicate this. I think we should add some rims, and then we're gonna add clap on top of that. This rim is the right one. So now I'm gonna make it exactly like a clap, put it exactly like how a clap should be, then duplicate this one. Then I forgot to increase the volume. Now let's increase to the fullest. Now we're gonna add a real clap on top of a rim. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna copy the rim pattern and put it on clap. And once I'm done with this, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick on how to make your beat sound clean. Mixing and mastering. Kicks and 808 can be too hard and clash, so you should decrease the volume of it. On this one, I'm just gonna copy the same pattern as the 808, but I'm gonna put it on the same line. Oh, if you like this video too, please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and tell me what you think. And if you want more, comment down below and tell me what kind of beat you wanna learn. I can make a drill on this FL Studio Mobile, so please subscribe and like and comment to hit the notification button. And oh, about the drill bit, I made a drill bit on my channel, go check it. And yo, the beat name is Beat the System. And then right here, I'll be decreasing and increasing some of the levels of these tracks so that they can sound a little bit, clean and not clashing around. I'll be decreasing the loop too, and I'll be adding more effects on it. Now let's make it a full beat. I'm gonna highlight this one and then move it to the left and then move the loop back. So right now I'll be adding my tags, and then I'll be adding multiple effects on these tags to show you how to make a tag sound a little bit clean too. I'll be showing you right now. On my tag I added multi-effects reverb, multi-effect delay, and then I added chorus.
Tell them when we made a track,
Full beat.
Tell them when we made a track, dog.